day, sir, madam. My name is Mijin Telio Yonson. I live in Aglosong, Concepcion, Iloilo. I'm married, but now I'm separated. I have 2 kids. My first daughter is 13 years old. The second is 11 years old. My education background is high school graduate. But then my experience were
Where?
in Kuwait, from Kuwait. From 2010 until 2013 in this.
How many years?
3 years, ma'am.
3 years, one
Yes.
employer. How many
Yeah.
person are you serving?
I will serve for the
In
for
Kuwait?
4 person, ma'am.
4 person.
Yeah.
Madam, you're served.
Yes, and the 2 kids.
How old when you start working?
Ma'am.
How old are your children in Kuwait when you start working?
The older is 17 years old, and then the other one, the youngest is 5 years old.
How many housemates inside the house?
Just one only, ma'am.
You only.
Yeah,
So it means to say that you serve all the 4 person
Yes.
and you did all the household chores.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All-
All the work. Okay.
Yes.
Let's say this time in Hong Kong, got small children to take care.
I'm willing to.
You are willing.
Yeah.
In Kuwait, you did cooking.
Yes, I will do.
In
I-
Kuwait?
Yeah.
Who taught you how to cook?
I do. I will.
Yeah, in Kuwait, who teach you how to cook?
My madam.
At first, Madam teach you.
Yeah.
Okay. So later, you did cooking by yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can learn also other dishes, international dishes or Chinese dishes, huh?
Yes, I'm willing to learn.
So you said that you are separated from your husband anymore. Then where are your children staying when you're not around, when you're abroad?
They will stay my mom.
It's your mother.
Yeah.
Okay, so how long this time you're planning to work in Hong Kong?
Mom,
How long are you planning to work in Hong Kong?
until I finish my
Of course, you
contract,
need
and
to.
then yes, and then if my employer they will good to me, I'm willing to.
Of course, if you are good to
Yes.
them, they will be good to you.
Yes.
It depends on you.
Yes, ma'am.
As long as you must be obedient.
Yes.
Follow the instructions, follow the rules and regulations. Can you promise that?
Yes, I promise.
Good luck
Yeah.
to you.
Thank you, madam.